Why would you choose a TRUMPF laser? Because it's awesome. They're made in Germany in one factory. So with TRUMPF lasers, the whole machine is built in one shot. From the resonator, all the sheet metal fabrication, all the controls, all the IT, all the control system is TRUMPF. With other suppliers, you're going to have parts from here assembled in a different place. With TRUMPF, you've got a real focus on quality, so don't cut any corners. Every consideration is made to make your fabrication, make the best quality parts, and make your production as seamless and as reliable as possible. So that's through how the laser cutter is fabricated and made, through the control system on the HMI on the front of the machine, through to the software that will run through your business.
So the operator can do things to try and then if step one, for example, or step two, activate this.